How to replace an air filter on a 2015 BMW X5 with an N55 engine. You have to remove 6 T25 screws located here, 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 and 3 more on this side. We're going to start off by this corner. Once those 6 screws are removed, simply just lift up, give you access to the air filter, grab it, and remove. Once the old one is removed, get your new air filter, slide it in, push it, and just make sure the seal is seated properly all the way around. Reinstall the cover, press it down, make sure it's closed flush, and just start tightening up the 6 screws.